I gotta think what to say. Welcome, everybody. I don't know how to start this, so I'm just gonna roll off the tongue. We're here in New Jersey at Northeast ASAP, or ASAP at Northeast, or Car Show. But there's no cars. Oh, there is cars. We're gonna find out. This exposition is, well, let's find out. Quick disclaimer, my microphone did absolutely terrible in giant crowds like this, so I did my best to mix the audio, and I apologize to the headphone users. We'll be investing in a new mic soon. Car show. Guitar show. Northeast is the biggest East Coast vehicle show. I'll say it that way because SEMA on the West Coast is the biggest. But other than just looking at fancy cars and everything, you have classes here to help the industry to talk about stuff like AASP. You have vendors promoting products, anything to help the outside industry. This is pretty huge, and I'm getting overwhelmed being here. So there's gonna be a lot of B-roll, but we're gonna meet up with some friends. We're gonna learn about some things. It's gonna be a pretty cool day. I'm actually very excited. So join along. Okay, this place literally has everything.
Fix it.
Fix it. That's so cool.
Training. Children.
This they have a weak point with I think the sun carrier. I forget what it is, but say what you want about Jasper, guys, but they just gave me a free sauce. Buy from Jasper. So this can be useful for simple automotive. If you want to, like you said, work on brakes. Exactly. So even outside of robots coming for your jobs, auto body guys. Imagine all the overspray. Mako be warned. It's got its own rail in it. Look at that. It's on track.
You versus the man she tells you not to worry about. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna record more of your videos like this.
Aerial.
Oh, this actually feels like GTA.
So look who I found. Say hi, Eric.
What's up, guy? Hi, Eric.
So this is the first time for me. I walk in here completely overwhelmed. A lot of it's auto body stuff. I used to just go to car shows and it'd be pretty much just every single dealership trying to sell you every single car, but it's fun. How would you describe this?
Trade show's popping, and the energy in here is awesome. A lot of vendors, a lot of great turnout. It was a pretty awesome event so far. First time at this one, but I'm definitely liking it.
So there's definitely more automotive themed ones, right? Because this is body specific, but this is body heavy.
Yeah, definitely collision heavy. We've got a lot of stuff with like if you go to ASTA or Apex. Apex has kind of a blend. Apex and SEMA's got a lot of collision, a lot of everything. I mean, if it's automotive related, it's there. Most of the trade shows that we've done, Vision, Tools, ASTA, they're very repair centric. There's not a lot of collision there, so this is pretty awesome. Just seeing kind of the mix of a little bit of everything.
Yeah, I agree. I was talking to, well, they weren't Autel, but I think it was AutoZone. Yeah. They're there too, and they're trying to sell me up on the new one. And I'm like, I got it. They're like, what shop do you work for? YouTube. So it is really cool. I got to go to get more networking done. I want to, talk to more people. This is great for the industry. I know what Lucas does. He goes to all of these, and You got shops, you got channels like the Jada Mechanic who comes to a couple of these, and I've been a technician, and it's mostly been fleet, and you know that. But I feel like a lot of techs that I've worked with on the even on the outside don't know about shows like this and could benefit from this.
No, and there is a huge lack of knowledge with it. You don't know what you don't know, but there's a lot of fear around training events. There's a lot of expense involved, and the shop should be paying for this for the techs. Absolutely. There's a big saying. I think Jim Morton's first place I heard it: "Training doesn't cost, it pays," and it's absolutely true. Things are coming at us way too fast. They're changing way too fast. We can't keep up on our own. We need help. We need guys that are learning about this stuff and passing that on.
Yeah, because we all know the dealerships, they make them. They're going to be trading for them. They're not going to abandon their own product. They're not going to abandon their own product right out the gate. F-150 Lightning. But for the consumer, there needs to be a better option than the dealer, and I say that tongue in cheek, because better option meaning when the dealer doesn't want to work, because they still have that option to say this is too old, this is too much. Where do you go from there on out?
Yeah, absolutely. And how many dealers are taking away the thought process? They're taking away the thought out of what we do. Everything gets sent back to engineering, and they're telling you what to change. Look at some of the dust plans. It's helpful in some cases, but it doesn't teach you anything about how, the why, or why not. And that's what a lot of these events give us, and the networking. That's the biggest thing for me about these: the networking. You get to build that resource of people to call on if you get stuck, or places to go for information. These are really powerful events, and we need more of them. There need to be new people coming to them.
I think networking for me here is just the biggest thing. Meeting new people, hearing about what they have to offer, even if it is auto body, even if it's just I've seen Eppies there with tools. I like Eppies. I haven't seen them in a long time.
I miss them.
They're great. So glad to be back in here, and this is good. Nice seeing you face to face, buddy.
Definitely, man. It's awesome.
Gotta stretch it. Yeah. The right side. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it looks like Laffy Taffy.
So now, while I video this, we get our peak. 4,026.
Wow.
That's the beautiful thing about this expo is it's bringing that technology that the dealerships are pumping out in such mass and very quick right to the floor where your mom and pop shops or your fleet shops can use. And it's just a lot of the stuff here, like all the AASP stuff, like I've said before, and mostly collision stuff, but it's revolutionary. Back 20 years ago, we weren't this advanced, and now we're moving so fast. So I can see how awesome expos like this are, and hopefully this video can get it out there where we're talking more about it and bringing more light to business. A lot of people have shown up. A lot of faces like Check Engine Chuck. Lucas was over there. We're changing the industry. I got to meet him, and this is the biggest expo for this caliber in the Northeast. So really cool time.